Chapter 4 Introduction to Keyboard. This chapter includes alphabet keys, number keys, cursor control keys, backspace key, delete key, enter key, spacebar key, caps lock key, shift key, tab key, escape key. Introduction. Keyboard of a computer is just like a typewriter. It is used for typing words and data that can be seen on a monitor. The buttons of the keyboard are called keys. The keyboard has different types of keys.
Do you know that a keyboard has lots of interesting buttons on it, just like musical keyboard?
Number keys, alphabet keys, backspace key, special keys, enter keys, cursor control keys, shift keys, space bar key, caps lock key, tab key, escape key.
Gilbert, the keyboard is really confusing. There are so many buttons.
Don't worry, Chintu. I will tell you about all of them.
Alphabet keys. It helps you in typing letters by pressing the alphabet keys. You can type any letter from A to Z. Number keys. Number keys are used to type numbers. They are marked with numbers 0 to 9. There are two sets of numeric keys on the keyboard. On the top of the alphabet keys, on the right-hand side of the keyboard. This part is also called numeric keypad. Cursor control keys. These keys are used for moving the cursor on the monitor. They are marked with arrows in 4 different directions. We can also call them arrow keys. Use of left arrow key. Position the cursor. Press left arrow key. Cursor moves to left. Use of right arrow key. Position the cursor. Press right arrow key. Cursor moves to right. Use of up arrow key. Position the cursor. Press up arrow key. Cursor moves upward. Use of down arrow key. Position the cursor. Press down arrow key. Cursor moves downward. Cursor. When you try to write some text, you will see a small line blinking on the screen. This is known as the cursor. Backspace key. This key is used to erase anything typed on the left side of the cursor. It is placed just above the enter key on the keyboard. In this example, you need to correct the spelling of class 2 to class 2. Place the cursor after the last S and then use the backspace key to erase the extra S. Delete key. Delete key is used to erase the letter on the right side of the cursor. In the given example, we need to correct the spelling of school to school. Place the cursor before U and then press delete key to erase it. Enter key. Enter key moves the cursor to the next line. There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. Spacebar key. It is the longest key of the keyboard. It is used to give single space. Position the cursor. Press spacebar key. It will create a gap. Caps lock key.
Gilbert, once my friend typed a letter, but teacher didn't like it as all the alphabets were in small letters. How do we write in capital letters?
Caps lock key is used to type the letters in capital. It is placed on the left side of the keyboard. Press the caps lock key. A light turns on at the top right corner of the keyboard. Now you can type in capital letters. Press the caps lock key again. Light goes off. Now you can type in small letters. Press caps lock key and type the text. All characters will be typed in capital letters. Press caps lock key again. Now all characters will be typed in small letters. Shift key. There are 2 shift keys on a keyboard. It is used in combination with other keys. Pressing shift key and a letter from keyboard will make it capital. If you press the shift key along with any alphabet key, then the alphabet will appear in capital. Tab key. Tab key is present at the left side of the keyboard. It moves the cursor towards right by many spaces. Escape key. This key is present at the left side of the keyboard. It usually cancels the current running program.